Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanend from English with Village Vlog. Guys, I am the only one person who has become fluent speaker without any teacher, without any institute, without anything. I never ever wrote in a single word. I never ever read any book, but I can speak English. Why? Because I know the secret how anyone can become fluent in English. So let me tell you how. So today I am going to tell you a third person daily routine so that I can show you how to practice in English. So guys, today I am going to tell you how to speak any third person daily routine. So for practice, I have to do this. If you want to speak in English, you have to go through this type of practice. Nothing can make you fluent English until you speak. So for that, I'm going to show you how to practice in English. So let's start. So guys, my name is Gyanend. I have one friend. His name is Subham. He is 20 years old. He gets up early in the morning. He gets fresh. He goes to park. He takes exercise. Then he comes back home. Then he takes shower and takes breakfast. After that, he goes to office. In the office, he works for 8 hours. And in the evening, he comes back home and he takes a siesta for some time. After taking a rest, he like goes to field and there he works for some time. Around 6:30 p.m. he comes back home and he watches TV and he uses his mobile, and finally around 9:30 he takes dinner. After taking dinner, he goes upstairs and he strolls for some time, and finally around 10:30 he comes downstairs and he goes to bed and he sleeps. Now I am going to tell you my daily routine. So hello guys, my name is Gyanend. Usually I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I get fresh, then I go to nearby park and there I stroll for some time, and around 7:30 I come back home. Then I take breakfast. After taking breakfast, I go to field, and in the field I work for 2 hours. Around 12:30 I come back home. Then I take shower, take lunch. After taking lunch, I take a siesta for some time. Then I take some classes. Around 3 p.m. I go to graze buffaloes, and around 5 p.m. I come back home after grazing buffaloes. Then I do some work on mobile because I have YouTube channel, and around 7:30 I take one more class, and around 9:30 I take dinner, go to bed and sleep. This is my daily routine. Now I am going to tell you one story. I don't have any idea, but however I am going to tell you. So now I'm going to tell you my activity yesterday, what happened with me. So yesterday I got up early in the morning, I got fresh, then I took breakfast. After taking breakfast, my mobile was on the table. I picked up my mobile and I made a call to my friend. My friend received my call and he started talking to me. I kept on talking to my friend for some time, and after that I hung up the call, and then I went to field. In the field I started working, and suddenly I saw a big black snake in the field. Seeing that snake, I got scared. I called some of the farmer nearby my field. They came, they also saw that snake and they also got scared. They said to me, Gyanendra, just go away from there, and we can't kill this snake because this is a very dangerous snake. Some of them said, okay, let's go. Then I came back to my home. I told everything to my mom, that mom, I saw a snake in the field. My mom said, okay, it happens because there are bushes around our field. Then I didn't do anything. So after coming from the farm, I took a shower. Then I took lunch. After taking lunch, I took a siesta. Then my friend came to me around 2 p.m. Then we both went to graze buffalo. And while grazing buffaloes, we had lots of fun. Even we made so many videos. So while grazing buffaloes, I'm going to tell you, while grazing buffaloes, I always practice in English and by making videos. And if I don't make videos, however, I know how to speak English because I have been practicing English for a long time. So guys, it was a story. And if I talk about asking questions, of course I can go for asking question. So Okay, what is your suppose I'm going to ask some question related my friend. So okay, what is your friend's name? My friend's name is Subham. What does he do? He works in a company. Okay, so at what time does he wake up? He wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. After waking up, where does he go? He goes to park. Why does he go to park? He goes to park because he takes exercise. Okay, at what time does he take breakfast? He takes breakfast around 7:30. After taking breakfast, what does he do? After taking breakfast, he goes to office. In the office, how many hours does he work in the office? He works for 8 hours. Okay, at what time does he come back home? He comes back home 5 p.m. After coming back home, what does he do? He takes a rest for some time. After taking a rest, what does he do? He goes to field. Why does he go to field? He goes to field because he loves going to field. Okay, so at what time does he take dinner? He takes dinner around 9:30. After taking dinner, what does he do? After taking dinner, he goes upstairs and he strolls for some time. Okay, at what time does he go to bed? He goes to bed around 10:30. So this is all about my friend. Okay, what about yourself? Okay, so what is okay, Gyanendra, what do you do? At what time do you wake up in the morning? I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, do you go to park? No, I don't go to park. Why don't you go to park? Because I don't have any park nearby my house. Okay, great. So okay, so at what time do you take breakfast? I take breakfast around 7:30 in the morning. Oh, great. So after taking breakfast, where do you go? After taking breakfast, I go to field. Why do you go to field? I have to work in the field every day. Okay. At what time do you come back home? I come back home around 12:30. Okay. After coming back, what do you do? After coming back, I just take shower and take lunch. After taking lunch, I take rest for some time and around. Okay, in the evening, what do you do? In the evening, I go to Grace Buffaloes. Okay, do you go to Grace Buffaloes alone? No, I don't go to Grace Buffalo alone. With whom do you go to Grace Buffalo? I go to Grace Buffalo with my friend. Okay, what is your friend name? My friend's name is Subham. Oh, great. So like, how many hours do you graze buffalo? I graze buffaloes like for 2 hours. Okay, great. So what do you do while grazing buffaloes? I just make so many videos. Great, lovely. At what time do you come back home? I come back home around 6:30 p.m. Oh, great. What do you do after that? After that, I take classes. Okay, which kind of classes do you take? I take like English type of classes. I just guide people how to become fluent in English and how to remove hesitation and shyness, because people, they don't know how to like tackle with this language. Oh, do you know? Yeah, of course, I tell them and they are able to speak. Great, lovely. Okay, so at what time do you take dinner? I take dinner around 9:30. After taking dinner, I go to bed and sleep. So guys, I can speak anything because I know the trick, and I want to tell this trick to you. So guys, if you really want to know this type of trick, please comment me. I will guide you and you will be able to speak, I'm telling you. So guys, if I wanted, I could ask so many questions related my past activity, but I don't want to extend this video. So thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. I am with you. I will make you fluent in English. Bye.